Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Navigator. In today's video, we will show you a tutorial on how you can cancel your free trial subscriptions on iPhone. So for example, if you have your 1 month free trial of Apple Music, you need to cancel your subscription before the end of the month, or else you will end up getting billed for it, which means you will have to pay money for it. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to search for your settings. After that, you want to tap on your Apple ID. And then from there, you want to click on subscriptions. Wait for it a little bit to load. And now you can see all the subscriptions that you have with Apple. Currently, I only have one active subscription, which is my Apple Music. So you're gonna want to tap on the Apple Music subscription. And if you look at the bottom, you can clearly see cancel free trial right beneath it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel my free trial by clicking on it before I get billed next month. They're gonna ask me, are you sure that you want to cancel your free trial? If you are sure, then press on confirm. And now it's gonna say that my subscription has expired. Now, one thing that's important to keep in mind is that when you cancel your free trial with Apple Music, you will instantly lose access to the subscription. You will not be able to enjoy it as most memberships until the end of it. It will instantly cancel. I gotta mention that this only applies to the free trial, not the normal membership. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. I hope it was helpful. If you found this kind of content helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos that we make.